No pictures, please. No pictures. No pictures, please. I'm just trying to make some goddamn cake. No picture! Autographs are $5. What's up? I'm Mark and this is epicconfections. If you are new here, click that subscribe button and hit that bell notifications for new epic videos every single week. Today I'm so happy to be joined with Dan from Man Cake. Yeah. Who doesn't want a little man cake? I know I do. That's a double wink for you. Give me some of that man cake. Today our theme is Diva Cakes. Let's do it! So this is something new that I'm trying out. I've actually never made cake lace before. So I have some clear Bowman cake lace here. You can actually buy this on Amazon. The link is in the description below. I actually have a link to all of the products that I use here, from spatulas to piping bags to piping tips. They are all in the description below. So if you want anything that I use, click those in the description and go buy some. So let's open this bad boy up. You get this weird kind of gel stuff and a bag of cocaine. And of course I have my Sugarveil cake lace mat, which I bought on sale because I ain't paying full price for that. Okay, instructions. So preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Place 3 tablespoons of water into the bowl. 1, 2, 3. Add 4 tablespoons of the cocaine. All right. 1. Oh, it smells amazing. 2. 3. 4. Mix on high for 2 minutes and then add half a teaspoon of this liquid stuff and then mix for another 4 to 6 minutes. So it's been about 4 minutes and I just stopped the mixer. The consistency is kind of like royal icing, a little runnier. Don't taste it though because it tastes awful. You should have seen my face. I was like, it's not very good. But I mean, we're making lace here, so like, how good is it supposed to be, right? Alright, so from the tutorials that I've seen on YouTube, we're just gonna spread a thin layer right onto the lace mat and just smooth it all out and try to get into every nook and cranny. Let's see what happens. So while that cake lace is in the oven, I'm going to start my cake. To start, I baked off 5 9-inch round white cakes. I'm just going to level them out, fill them with a chocolate sauce and fresh strawberries, and stack them up. Let's do it. There's my oven. It's just saying hello. So next I have my chocolate sauce and some pre-washed strawberries. Just taking my smaller spatula and just giving that chocolate sauce a nice even coat in the cake. Just taking my strawberries and cutting them into little circles. When it comes to filling your cakes, honestly, less is more. You don't want to have a lot in the middle of your cakes, because as soon as you decorate them, the cakes are just going to slide, and the layers are just going to go like this, and it's going to be a disaster. So I have two piping bags here, one with white buttercream and the other with pink buttercream. So what I'm going to do is a stripe effect. So I just went around the cake twice with the white buttercream. Now I'm going to switch over to the pink. So 2 lines of each. As always, I have my really hot water and my spatula. So because this cake is so tall, you want to be really careful because you don't want to go around the cake too many times because you will lose that stripe effect. So you just want to hold your spatula straight up and against the cake. Let the turntable do the work for you. And once you're happy with your sides, you can go ahead and start smoothing out your top. And there's my dryer. Do you love it when appliances talk to you? It's so sweet. Okay, so next I melted down some dark chocolate and some white chocolate, and I have a few strawberries in front of me. Also, I have 2 separate pieces of parchment paper. So before I go ahead and do my drip on this cake, I'm going to dip some berries in this chocolate, because what diva doesn't love her chocolate dipped berries? Right, Mariah? So I have some pink luster dust here, and on just one of the berries, I'm just going to sprinkle that, so it gives it a really nice shine. So cute. Look at that, it's beautiful. Actually, you know what, I'm going to do it on another one. And I have some gold balls here, and I'm just going to dip. So for this cake, I'm doing an alternating chocolate, white chocolate drip. With the rest of this chocolate, I'm going to be making a chocolate background. So I'm literally just going to do this in all sorts of directions. So as you can see, I left space in between the chocolate, and that is where our white drip is going to go. And same with this. Gonna take a little bit more of that luster dust and just sprinkle a little bit on to give it a little bit of a shine. We're also gonna use some of those gold balls. So while these are drying, let's check in on our cake lace. So I hope that you guys can see, but it's actually lifting out of that silicone mat quite well. Look at that. It's very fragile, but so I feel like this will take a little bit of work to get out. Yeah, you really have to take your time at this. If you're an aggressive person, this is not the project for you. It turned out great! I love that! Look at that! And it's edible, it's beautiful! Hey Dan, how are you?
I'm good, how are you, Mark?
Not too bad, thank you. Just working on my Diva Cake.
And how's that going along for you?
So far so good. I actually tried cake lace for the first time, so I'm excited to share that with everybody.
I'm sure it's very glamorous, just like Fergie. G-L-M-A-R, you know, song. She spells it in there.
Fergie? You mean glamorous like myself, right?
Oh, of course, naturally.
Thank you.
Glamorous all around.
So, who is your all-time favorite diva?
My all-time favorite diva? Oh, it's so hard.
Are you having a bowel movement? What about a singer, a vocalist?
Oh, singer? The Queen Mother, Cher, obviously. Save Up All Night? I'm perfect. How about you? What's your favorite diva?
My favorite diva, I'm gonna have to go with my Canadian girl, Celine. So, Dan, thank you so much for collabing on this video with me. I really appreciate it. I love you, and I love your channel.
Come check out my man cake.
That sounds sexual. This is a family show, Dan.
Is it?
No, it's really not fair. I'm so impressed with that lace. I would definitely use this again. I think it turned out beautifully. You should be really, really gentle with it pulling off, but I mean, nothing really tore. There's one or two places that tore, but you can't really tell. I would definitely recommend this stuff, and I'm gonna be using this for sure. And I think it makes any cake look pretty. So you wanna find the front of your cake and mark your board like I always tell you. So here's my front right here. I just wanna gingerly just drape it on the side. Okay, let's see if this is ready now. I think it's still a little wet, but whatever. We're gonna crack it anyway. So I'm just sticking a couple dowels in where I want my chocolate bark to lay. So I'm just going to take those fabulous strawberries and just stick them just randomly, wherever. I'm just gonna take some of the strawberries that were left over and cut them right in half so that you expose the actual inside of the strawberry. And I'm gonna place those on top as well. So here it is, guys. Here is the Diva Cake. I think this is a cake fit for any diva. Thank you so much to Dan from Man Cake for collabing. Check out his video in the description below and head on over to his channel and show him some love. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. We will see you all next week. Mwah!